Okay, guys, this is just if you need a little extra help on your homework. I'm not going to talk a lot or give you a lot of answers, but there are a couple of questionable problems, not questionable, but a couple hard problems. One of them is it's asking you to find angle BOC. So here's B, then O. It's not connected to C. So you will have to draw that segment in yourself. So you'll be looking for this angle BOC, and that's a central angle, obviously. And a central angle will have the same arc measure, same angle measure as the arc it is intersecting. So that should be an easy one to find. There's another one, I think AFC. So when you're looking for AFC, here's A, here's F, and then C. You're going to have to think that through. Here's A, F, and then C. That's an inscribed angle, and an inscribed angle is half the measure of its arc. So that will help you hopefully on those two angles. The other things I want to just, keep reiterating are, like if you were trying to find maybe this angle here. Okay, this is on the circle, so it's going to be half the intercepted arc. So you just have to figure out what this arc measure is here and then take half. Does that make sense? Make sure that you're keeping in mind when you're doing all of these, if you have a triangle and let's say, you maybe know, you have figured out this angle here, and you have figured out this angle here. You can find this angle right here because here's an intercepted arc, here's an intercepted arc. What do? You add those together and divide by 2, you get this. Then if you know this and this, you can get this because this is a triangle. Okay? Like if you know this angle right here, you can get this one because it's a linear pair. These are vertical angles. So you use all the geometry we've already learned, and that will help you solve this problem. Okay, so you do have to draw in a couple other segments. You do want to kind of look at it. What do you know? Do you have triangles? Is it inscribed? Was it created inside? Is it a central angle? Was it created outside? When we're looking at this angle, let's use blue again. This angle possibly here. That was created outside. The intercepted arcs are here and here. So because it's created outside, you take the big one minus the small one. When it's created on the inside, like here, you add them together. And then you have to take half, and you have to do big minus small, take half. So, use that little cheat sheet, kind of help yourself out, think it through. Are they linear pairs, vertical angles, triangles that are happening here? Realize that this, they gave you, this is a diameter. So this has to be 180 and that has to be 180, and use that to your advantage. All right, hopefully that helped you a little bit if you needed some help.